Ready to ditch the communication chaos and unlock streamlined conversations with your customers? Let's dive straight into setting up Wati. First, head over to Wati's website and log in using the credentials you received during your sign-up. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Wati dashboard. Your first priority is connecting your WhatsApp business account. Click on the prominent Connect WhatsApp button to initiate the setup process. Now, you'll be guided through the WhatsApp Business API setup. This involves a few steps, including scanning a QR code using your WhatsApp Business app. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Next, let's set up your team. Navigate to the Team Inbox section here. You can add your team members as agents, assigning them roles and permissions to manage conversations effectively. Now it's time to explore the features. Wati offers powerful tools like automated messages, chatbot integration, and template creation. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these features to optimize your workflow. Finally, don't forget to track your progress. The Wati Analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into your communication performance, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies.